Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cash out on Temu. So if you want to withdraw or cash out on Temu, all you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and go ahead and open up or log in into your Temu app. Now if you're using a web browser, either way the procedure is going to remain the same, so make sure to follow the instructions. There are different ways of withdrawing from Temu. First of all, what you can do is you can do bank transfer. Now bank transfer is best way to get your direct cash value to your Temu credits. You can also transfer the amount to your bank account via ACH transfer, or you can also use the minimum cash out limit, that is $10. There is no fees for the transfer as well. Amount will be reflected in your bank account within 5 to 7 business days. Apart from it, you can also do PayPal transfer. So alternatively, you can cash out with Temu credit card to your PayPal account. The minimum transfer amount is as usual, that is $10, and along with that, no fee is involved. After that, the money will be reached to your PayPal account within 3 business days and can be used for online payments as well. Apart from it, you can also use a virtual prepaid card. Now, Temu allows you to redeem credit card for virtual prepaid card or brands like Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, etc. These cards can be used for shopping on a respective site, giving you monetary values as well. So the minimum redemption limitation is $5 and no fees for redemption as well. Now you can get the prepaid details instantly via email upon your redemption. So in this way you can cash out on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.